Okay, welcome to Nuer Tube. We are going to discuss about these English and thok basic phrases. So if you are new to this channel, please help me by subscribing. Okay. Some of these words that we are going to learn, okay, most of them you know them. They are simply basic phrases that can help you to communicate, okay. Where did you go? Where did you go? Jin Chiwunika. Jin Chiwunika. Where did you go? Jin Chiwunika. I went to see a movie and show which ke movie. Okay. Di lar no mingur jenu mchaji tijenu Chiwunika, you know, dong di lar no show which ke movie. I went to see a movie and show which ke movie. What did you buy it? Ngumishikok. Michaji tijeno jina ngumishikok di lar ngumishikok. What did you buy? Di lar no I bought a shirt. I bought a shirt and chokokebi. And chokokebi. Okay, di lar no and chokokebi. Who did you met? Anga misharum yanaja ki anga mishajik ala meet gwasame lor ne jik ramishajik da dop ki ne ramishajik dong ni lar di tijeno anga mishajik dong ni ran tij who did you meet? Anga sharum yanaja mo katung na di lar nona. I met my friend Cherum Kamazda ki sharum kona Mazda. Tegum ngai gwazame many am chukorai ke meet me a present chala presentan na me lura nangu met ngad a pass mishalo chinejek mo mishawa I met adilarno chineirum chineirum ke cherum konaje ana kata dan di gor gwadum dong mi tike ni jion wo did you meet anga charum yana jamo ki anga mi shajek no taken ga da ka to English meet mi la roden tama met mi shwa bina mo bi ngach how did you do it ka she la de ki la de how did you do it la de ki she la de no bi gor no bi ngaja na monen gwasa me mardian I know how to do it. I know how to do it. And ngacha je ide je ladidi. I know how to do it. Ngacha je ki ngacha duob dan de je latke je. Ngacha duob de latke je. I know how to do it. Ngacha duob de je latke je. When did you buy it? Ka kokiene. Di lare kokiene. Kokiene. Dong tangwad melar je tijiran no kokiene na mo. When did you bought it? Do not know more pass. Buy gwazame a president Raja Katam ala bought a mishiwa. Okay, Mijai Tijano. When did you bought it? Chikamichikon and gwazame do not know Kora la Kukon right president movement right con gatama. Kakokiene. When did you buy it? La take a gin tamalo chimichiwa. Gwazame Lloyd Ramecha Lojano. I bought it yesterday. And Kwaka Japan. And Kwaka Japan. And Kwaka Japan. Guadame a board me can I buy a present bought a pass name a present name a pass name you know bought a buy la mo kogo door kano she kok pan kano kokki wale tikan ga da kai English ka kon la kon ala ko gene Kwaka Japan dag dan guadame a pan chu cook ka English a different buy a mil le dimo kogo entama board a mishi kok pan you know no nama der dag dien der ngaj ka dob dan de julo ka jam mara dien gwasame why did this happen ka ngum shu nama to ka ja ki to ka edi why did it happen to ka edi why did it happen ka ngum shu nama to ko why did this happen ngushi nama to ko they translate ke dup to gol ko ken do no man di gore jeno we dan di senten di construct ja ki de duru di lat ke je jen bu gor gwada me why did this happen gwasame di lojine na no I don't know kwachaja I don't know kwaja I don't know ki I do not know na my short form no kwachaja when did you get home kajin chop chengne tangwan tene de chole dor jin chop doru ne wrong na me chi dor na me ching no ching du no me kwala nanglo keriet kajin chop chengne ba cha ja ba chole ching ba chole cheng kajin chop chengne when did you get home kajin chop chengne I got home 5 minutes ago ante chop cheng ke mini ne dang de tin chuwa de larbo no ante chop cheng ko kom ne dang de tin chuwa da tok da rakule chung ante chop cheng ko kom ne dang de tin chuwa miti ke ni je ka gwa da pai chup ka jam de lar no chati ke mini dang de jan tama ka chop de cheng how long did you stay ka jin chi cheng ka gwa me nindi tangwan ne me chi kon de latin du no ko te long te dong de lar ka jin chi cheng ka gwa me ber me ninde dong there are correct na me how long did you stay ka jin chi cheng ka gwa me ber me ninde na mo de lar no de jilwak bana Gadwich do you want to speak English Gadwich jin guru birach ka tok English na mene teach gwa da me Gadwich jin guru birach ka tok English dong de ranjo jin guru birach ka tok nath guru jin birach ka tok Nuer Gadwich do you want to speak English Gadwich do you want to speak thok nath Gadwich do you want to speak Nuer Gadwich jin guru birach ka tok English Gadwich jin guru birach ka tok nath na mo de jilwak gwa da dan guru jin o de tok Nuer de jangach gwa da me to kon ka phrase dodian who did you meet there anga mishiajek gwasami ki anga mishirum kaje enwini ano tok Nuer jira dida anga mishiarum yana je gwami ki anga mi je gwadami who did you meet there ano ka tok English who did you meet there ka tok Nuer anga mishiarum kaje enwini ki anga mishiarum da dop de lar no mi je gwadame I met my mother there en cherum kona mar min na mininen en cherum kona mar ala te mishalisha shawo katuk sha me pass okay mishal past 10 ano mishi wo chere ga pan mishi mijuran shiwune nang ne pass bone okay jen ko konen go temet teten ala met point ala met ke meet jeg mishet ke misha jeg ran pan to kon ke MEET ano ke MET name present 10 ano mitike ikele past 10 ano ala ka to English teken ga da tangos ni no I met my mother there en cherum konamar men biti de longwa de me how to construct a sentence go region will be broad wangi jini siang chi bi shupel ga siang kala shi ngai go consistent learning keep jina consistent kama na gori en will be ngach gwai mi jiram jidit ka jan channel me ka Nuer Tube go region o jin de relok ka subscription de subscribe kadere notification bell body je trying ko bititir bi kan chamala shugo je gwa dana pai kala reke je an biya ta kamal chan nyago je kalle sanu de bye bye